Hey, welcome back to Sodatime Restoration. Hey, welcome back to Sodatime Restoration. As you can see, I am putting the ID plate on. We have come into the finale for the 56. It is looking great. Give me a second here. I'm going to get this installed and we'll go over everything that we did on this machine. Hey, welcome back. The 56 is just looking beautiful. We have just finalized everything and wow, I am in love with the 56. This is my first complete on a 56. I've done a lot of work on 56s over the years, but my first complete restoration. I actually have one that's coming up that we'll be doing another restoration on, but this one here is a gem. If you're looking at a 56 and you're trying to figure out, how many years did they make this 56? Well, probably only made for about 12 to 13 months, what kind of the documentation looks like. This was the year VMC and Vendo had come together. VMC had the large coin door. Vendo did not at the time. And I think, just my gut feeling, I really think that Vendo looked at VMC and said, hey, we really need that part of the production of this machine, the coin mech side of it, tied into our machine. So this machine was actually developed by VMC, but if you look at the bottom of the door, it's got Vendo on it. So at the time, they could come back and put their name on the door, but this machine, as far as what I can read, everything was VMC designed. Every 56 you're going to see is going to be white cap. 1958, kind of that transition year where everything went from a nickel or 6 cent up to a dime. Only thing I know for sure as far as changes on this machine was right here in the selection door. You will see one with a foil, and then you'll see just about the last production ones that come through, they finally put a glass window so you can actually see the pop inside without having to open the door. Never had a light inside of it, but you had machines that at least could give change. When we went back with the door, the original foils were so nice, I was able to save them. This machine probably was restored 20-25 years ago. I was able to save the foils, got them back on there. This, I believe, gut feeling, is the original foils from 1958. But all the chrome's been redone. Obviously the lettering, what you look inside here. Coin mech is also a unique piece. I believe it's the original. I basically cleaned this coin mech up, left all the original decaling on it. Still got the original decal, even used the correct change one. I try to do that if they're just super nice. This one is really good. And then on the inside, obviously we powder coated the cabinet. We put a new pan in the bottom. The compressor was rewired, new fan motors, repainted the deck, shelving come out beautiful, new door liner, right down to the serial number. The patent on this one was 7 of 57, and then obviously the wiring diagram. But everything come out just beautiful. I'm very happy with how everything come out. That's the original cap holder and coin cup come with the machine. So good looking machine. If you're looking at Vendo 56, obviously you don't see a lot of them. If you do see them out there, they're a little bit pricey. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the restoration series on the 56. Hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. We're approaching the 800 mark on subscribers. Thank you very much. We're gonna get a cold one out of here tonight. Put a dime in. Pull that cold Coke out of there. Hey, thanks for staying with us. And this beautiful 1958 Vendo 56, it'll be one I'll remember for a long time. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.